Okay, let's talk about Easter Facebook ads. It's going to be hard to keep this one just a minute, but one of the most popular questions that we're getting is, Ryan, if people in our area, we're not in the Bible Belt, they're not looking for a church, will a Facebook ad still work? And absolutely. My encouragement to you in this 1 minute tip is to ask this question. If they're not looking for a church, what are they looking for? Okay, let me say that again. What are they looking for? Because if you believe, like I do, that the answers to our questions in life are ultimately found in God, in Jesus, in the kingdom of God, then enter into the conversation of what are people in your area looking for, and then ultimately bring that back where they can find the true answer. So you see this all the time throughout the Bible where Jesus or the apostles, whoever it was, entered into the conversation, the questions that people were asking, and then brought it back around to the kingdom of God. So will Facebook ads work? Absolutely. You just have to answer the question, what is your audience looking for? Enter in the conversation there, and then bring them back around to the kingdom. Now, we're going to be doing a live Q&A about your questions on Facebook ads. I'll put a link below. You can also check out the Social Church Easter Kit. It's an ad kit that's got a lot of stuff in there done for you. I'll put that link as well, but I'd love to have you jump on the live, ask us any questions that give us a chance to answer any questions you have. Hopefully, we'll see you on the Facebook Live.